Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these fluffy pancakes. You're going to need 1 cup of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of white caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. To serve you can use golden syrup and fresh fruit, but that's completely optional and up to you. So you start by adding in the flour. I love to do the dry ingredients first and then the wet ingredients. And then I go in with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. This bit you can tailor to your taste, but I have quite a sweet tooth. So I just mix those all in. Now we're on to wet ingredients, so just add in the egg. And then 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of olive oil, and then you want to whisk those together until the mixture is completely smooth. The aim here is kind of just to get rid of all the lumps and bumps, so when it's smooth you'll know that you're good to go. The consistency shouldn't be too runny and it also shouldn't be too thick. Like, I can get the whisk through this super easily, so you don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too watery, just perfectly in the middle. Once that's done, you just want to grease your pan. I like to use olive oil and then a kitchen paper towel. I just go in with my pancake mix in a circular motion to make the shape for the first pancake. What you're looking for here is the bubbles that start to appear, so you want to be on super low heat. You actually want to be probably on the lowest heat that your stove has. When it gets like this, you'll know it's time to turn it over, and it will kind of be raised up at the sides if you look closely. So you just go in really carefully and separate it and then flip it. Once that's been done for maybe 2 minutes, you want to turn it over and you have a look and it's perfectly golden, and this one is ready to go. Just repeat that and you get your perfect stack. I love to serve mine with fresh fruit, drops of golden syrup, and then a mint leaf for the finishing touch, and there you go. So that is my favorite breakfast meal to make, and it doesn't take long at all. You can definitely give it a go and let me know how it went. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.